we'll have an actual showdown. Do down, up, down with each saw, and then I'll put them side by side with numbers and timing and all that crap, and it should be good. Okay, so Neotec 892, a 90cc saw or 92cc saw, CS620P, 59.9cc saw. Yeah, the Neotec definitely felt stronger, obviously, but it is 4 pounds heavier and 30 cc's bigger. So that's all I got for this video. Hey, I appreciate everybody stopping by. If you like this kind of stuff, take a quick second, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next video.